Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avelash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like GBP USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex sentiment meter in front of us, and here is our Euro USD. So 34% retail traders have taken short position and 65% retail traders have taken long position. So 65% are thinking that market will be going up, whereas 34% are thinking that market will be going down. So let's find out what is going on in the chart of Euro USD. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now, and as you can see that Euro USD is right now trading at 1.1602. This is the current market price, and market is trying to take support above the temporary support level of 1.1600 because this is not a very strong support, but still somehow Euro USD is trying to respect it and trade above it. That's it. And if you look at the overall trend of the market here, yes, we can see that after this huge fall in the market, there was some recovery. Yes, there was some recovery in the market. This is the recovery. But right now, if we just focus on this particular portion of the market here, then we can see that the recovery is gone. Right now, market is facing the same selling pressure, or somewhat the market looks like a sideways market. Okay, try to observe the market carefully. There was a fall in the market, sharp fall on Euro USD. After that, Euro USD tried to recover here, but right now you can see that there is not much buying power, and rather you can see that market is forming huge red candles. Okay, not getting my point? Okay, see, from here till here it took 4 candles to reach from here till here, but it took only one candle to reach this place. Again, see, it took around 3-4 candles, 1 2 3 candles to reach this portion from here, but it took only one candle for the Euro USD to come down. Try to understand the market psychology here. The chart looks like a sideways market right now, but overall the market is still under the dominance of sellers, and we can clearly see on the chart right now. Okay, because whenever market is going up, or whenever market is coming down, you can see that market is coming down with huge force. So it clearly signifies that right now still the market is under the dominance of sellers. And though right now market is trading above the temporary support level of 1.1600, but still I will suggest you not to go for any buy here. And moreover, if you just look at the chart here, then you can clearly see that we do not have any proper direction in the market. So just ask yourself, my dear friends, just ask yourself, do you think that your hard-earned money deserves a chart like this? Do you think that you should trade on a chart like this that you do not even understand well? Because we do not have any proper direction also. If we move to the 15 minutes time frame, or if I take it to the 15 minutes time frame, then also you can see that we do not have any proper movement, we do not have any proper place here. If market goes up from here and reverses from this particular level of 1.1625, you can think about shorting the market if market reverses from here. But right now you can see that at this particular portion of the market we do not have any proper movement, and as we all know, volatility is extremely important for the traders to make money. See, this is the, let me take you to the volatility calculator here. See, this is the volatility calculator, Forex volatility calculator, and you can see that hardly we have any movement. In the 15 minutes, Euro USD is having a movement of 1.7 pips. In the 1 hour, it is having a movement of only 5.3 pips, and in the 4 hours only 7.9 pips. So do you think that this is a worthy pair to trade right now? Absolutely not. Maybe Euro USD is the most popular currency pair, but right now it is not in a good position to trade because there is hardly any volatility in the market. So honestly speaking, I am avoiding Euro USD, and I'll also recommend you to avoid Euro USD. Okay. In case market goes up from here and reverses from the resistance of 1.1666, you can think about shorting the market if market reverses. Okay. And on the other hand, if market comes down and bounces from the level of 1.1528 level, if market bounces from here, you can go for buy. But right now at this particular portion of the market, I do not see any proper logic to trade here. So if possible, try to avoid. And see, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So if you think that I'm wrong, then please write down in the comment section, because I would love to learn from you. So bye bye, take care. Try to avoid Euro USD again. Bye bye.